An object moves with a speed of 10 meters per second for 5 minutes. Find the distance traveled by the object. We know the speed and the time taken. We have to find the distance. We know speed, which is abbreviated as v, is simply equal to the distance, which is denoted as s, over the time. Then, making a distance the such a formula, we know speed can be expressed as v over 1. Cross multiplying this will give us s to be equal to v times t. It simply means the distance covered by the object will be equal to, we have to take the speed of the object, which is 10 meters per second, we multiply by the time taken, which is 5 minutes. Next, we have to express 5 minutes in seconds. We know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Multiplying both sides of this equation by 5, this will give us 5 minutes to be equal to 5 times 60 seconds, and this will be equal to 300 seconds. We are going to replace 5 minutes here with 300 seconds because we cannot be working with two different units for one quantity, which is time. You can see here we have speed in meters per second, and here the time is in minutes. So we must express the minutes in seconds, or we express this speed, which is in meters per second, to meters per minute. This will give us this distance covered by the object to be equal to 10 meters per second times, we replace 5 minutes with 300 seconds. This will simply be equal to 10 times 300 gives us 3000. Meters per second is the same as meter all over second. If you take meters per second times second, this as meter over second times second over 1. The seconds will strike off, you will be left with meters. So this will give us 3000 meters. 3000 meters can be expressed in kilometers. We know 1 kilometer is simply equal to 1000 meters. 3000 meters will simply be equal to 3000 divided by 1000, and the unit will be kilometers. This will simply be equal to 3 kilometers. So this will simply be equal to 3 kilometers. Therefore, the distance traveled by the moving object will simply be 3 kilometers. We are done with the solution of this question. Thank you very much for watching.